Thank you for purchasing the steamer stand. With proper care, your stand will help make caring for your garments quick and easy. To assemble the steamer stand, gently pull the tripod legs outward. Rotate the base knob clockwise to lock the legs into place. Next, extend the vertical tubes upward and secure the desired height using the snap locks. Press the marked areas on the arm locks with your thumbs to adjust the hanger arms into various positions: open, hanger, and closed. Place the adjustable hanger head on top of the tripod and secure it by turning it clockwise until it stops. Adjust the height for your clothing as needed. Warning: do not push the arms downward without pressing the trigger arm locks to change positions. For the clip guide, set the arms to the hanger position. Adjust the clip width to secure your garment. You can easily mount clothing onto the clip guide, on or off the stand. The clip guide is adjustable and allows steaming each piece without unclipping and re-clipping. To keep your garment tight during the steaming process, use the horizontal extender. Connect the C attachments to both ends of the horizontal extender tubes and adjust the extender ends. Attach the extender to the top section of the tripod stand by aligning the ridge of the top vertical tubing with the open edge of the extender. Snap the extender into place and secure it with the Velcro strap. Adjust it to your desired width. To remove, unwrap the Velcro. Place one hand on the stand and press the extender with both thumbs to pop it off. Our vertical extenders are available for longer garments. The Travel Pro is specifically designed for travelers using carry-on luggage, offering a more compact and lightweight option, weighing less than 2 pounds. The assembly process for the Travel Pro is similar. The Travel Pro includes a vertical extender tube to achieve your desired height and does not feature a horizontal extender. When mounting a long piece of clothing, position the hanger head in the closed position and slip the garment over the stand. Once in place, open the hanger arms to the hanger or open position to hold the garment securely. To remove a garment from the steamer stand, always use the following steps. Press the thumb locks and lower the hanger arms. Lower the garment below the closed hanger arms and lift the item over the top of the steamer stand. To extend the warranty on your steamer stand, be sure to complete the warranty registration form.